Hi everyone. So I'm sure like me, you all have also noticed the festive glitter and the aura around us. Well, the festival season is here. We are already looking at a lot of beautiful campaigns, the colors, the aura, the sound, the festival aura is everywhere around us. The world is suddenly turning beautiful back to its glitter and shine. So that brings this brand growth idea, which is about festival seasons are around and we need to act now. I am sure, like me, all of you business owners are busy planning about the festival budgeting, what it would be as the campaign. Marketers like me are actually shuffling through a lot of campaigns and ideas, putting it all in the brand packets for our brands that we manage. But it is the time of the year when you need to act smart and work on the holiday season marketing because that is the time when the consumer is actually ready to spend money, is in a happy mood, and is already there, to listen to you if you're talking in the happy vibe and the happy spirit. So the festival season is here and we as brands need to act now. Why it is important? Why the OTTs are already talking about the Christmas releases? Why there is a lot of show and pompous around the sale, a little bit of lighting here and there, the visual merchandising, the VM of the stores is emerging all bright and colorful. So everybody is working on the holiday season. And that is why this brand growth idea is very important for you as a brand, whether you want to cash it on internally or externally. What makes the festival season so important and beautiful for us as the brand marketers? Why business owners need to take an edge over the competitor to it? Because this is the time of the year when brands get a chance, the opportunity to connect emotionally with the culture. Remember the Kurkure ad wherein they said, "Aaj muh kurkure ho jaye." So the thing is, they are cashing on the 70-year-old campaign of Cadbury's brand, which says that kuch meetha ho jaye. They further evolved it in 2019. They changed it to kuch अच्छा हो जाए कुछ मीठा हो जाए. So that's where when the Kurkure came up with the tangy tagline, because nowadays everybody wants to have little bit of salty and the snacking after the sweets. So they brought up with a tangy tagline and it picked up very well in the festival season. At the same time, the brands picked a lot of causes around the festival season. We all know, like, why we need to go vocal for local, why we should, leave the candles, the branded candles aside, but actually buy it from the local sellers so that they can also have a happy Diwali. So that's the kind of campaigns the brands are picking up, and this is the time of the season when you can actually, work around it and make your customers, make your stakeholders, even make your prospects feel special about it. What all you can do. Of course, let's start with the revenue part. You can always run a special offer and design special offer and packages and run festival ad campaigns. This is the time of the year when brands indulge into, getting higher targets and more revenues around their sales. So that sales figure can really be captured in a happy vibe if you come up with good offers. At the same time, it is also the time to make people feel special. So you need to gear up and work on the festival budgeting. It can start from gifting to designing greeting cards to designing messages. How you can make it personalized and special for your audience is what we need to work on together. The next in line comes is you can always pick a cause, join with some NGOs, join your energies with some NGOs, pick up a gifting, or there are also, times when a brand, whatever their festival budget is, uh, they put it all to a cause and send a thank you greeting to their stakeholders, the employees and the clients, saying that we spent our festival budget for that cause and we have contributed from your side also. There, you are not asking anything, you are not putting any expectations which are not informed, but you are sharing a happy gesture that you took a call as a brand and you are sharing a thank you to all the stakeholders because it was the gifting budget for them which you have diverted for a better cause or for a better cause for the society who are that is underprivileged and maybe the society that needed it more than the audiences that we have. Another in the next point in this line could be, sponsoring events or creating celebrations. Now, this festival season is the time when lot of brands engage into, consumer or internal association, the employer branding time. So you can really create events. So you need to plan whether it is an offline event or an online event. I'm saying offline because a lot of brands are still working from the physical offices and they are not completely remote. This is the time of the year when brands have the sales meet, the dealers meet, the virtual town halls, they have the engagements, like the annual bash for the employees, the new year parties, whatever it is. This is the time of the year when you need to get your act together and cash on the festive fever. So make sure that you have your budgets in place, create offers, have the additional budget for running your ad campaigns, do something special like Cadbury's or Kurkure, create an aura around the emotional vibe of the festival and start acting now because when you are watching this video, we are already into the festive season. So let's get started right away and make everyone feel special. Let everybody have and enjoy that festive smile. I'll be back with more brand growth ideas in the coming weeks. Until then, take care, stay safe, happy festive season.